Hi investors, I'm Eric, your trusted property specialist here at MegaWorld at the Fort. In this video, I'm going to show you the construction update of Park McKinley West. So tara, samahan nyo ko. Let's see what's inside the township of McKinley West. Right now, I'm here sa isa sa mga township development ni MegaWorld, the McKinley Hill Township. So ngayon, andito ako ngayon sa Upper McKinley Road. So sa likod ko, natatanaw dito ang Park McKinley West. Ngayon, samahan nyo ako dahil bibisitahin natin kung ano ang update ngayon sa Park McKinley West Construction Update. So tara, let's go! Right now, I'm here along Loton Avenue. And sa likod ko is the construction update of Park McKinley West. In this side is the Tower B or the Tower 2 of Park McKinley West. And sa left side ko is the Tower D or the last tower, the final tower of Park McKinley West.
All of the units here along Loton Avenue are facing east morning sun with a view of Antipolo skyline. They have the view of the Laguna Bay, and also they have the unobstructed view of the greenery facing American Park. On the ground floor of the project is the two-level mall, the high-end mall, the longest mall along Loton Avenue. From here up to the corner of Park McKinley West. Along Loton Avenue, in this corner is the Legrand Avenue. This is the main entrance going inside the township of McKinley West. And sa likod ko is the construction update of Tower D and Tower C of Park McKinley West.
As you can see, behind me is the Tower A and Tower B of Park McKinley West. And that road is the Legrand Avenue. And this road naman is the McKinley West Boulevard. The good news about these towers, Tower A and Tower B, they are about to be turned over next year 2024 by first quarter or the second quarter. So if you are looking for a property to invest, this is the right time for you to contact me because we still offer the no down payment promo and 4 years to pay without interest. If you want to know more about this project and to get sample computation, site visit, and model unit viewing, you can contact me on the details below. I will put the link in the caption and you can follow me on my social media accounts. See you on my next video.
Beep beep.